Welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of stickers. Today we actually have a very bright kit. That's the only way I can describe it without showing you guys what it is first. It's the Sunshine kit, which is the second photo kit we have in the stickers. There's only 2 of them, by the way. I didn't want to add in more than a couple because I know some people don't like photo kits and they prefer something else. So I did only include 2 of them, and this one is the second one. If you guys didn't see day 6, that was the other one, if you guys want to go check the other videos. But today is the Sunshine Lemon kit, and I just really like the color scheme in this, even though it's super bright, but it just kind of like feels happy, and I really love how this kit actually came out. So that is day 3. Make sure you check the description to purchase the entire 12 days bundle if you want to grab all these kits, and also to check today's deal of the day in the description down below. So that is it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2.